Today, let's talk about the importance of protecting our energy while we dive into the world of channeling. Channeling opens us up to higher energies, but it's essential to create a safe space and protect ourselves from any negative influences. Crystals can be powerful allies in shielding our energy. Carry a protective crystal or place it near you during your channeling sessions. Visualizations are another effective method. Imagine yourself surrounded by a bubble of white light, shielding you from any unwanted energy. Smoke cleansing with sage or Palo Santo can help cleanse and purify your space, creating a barrier against any negative energy. Setting clear intentions before channeling can also protect your energy. State that you only allow positive and loving energies to come through. So, how do you protect your energy while channeling? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. Let's support each other on this journey. Follow me for more channeling insights and energy protection tips. Let's channel safely together. Remember, protecting our energy is crucial when delving into the spiritual realm. By implementing these techniques, we can create a safe and empowering space for our channeling practice. Take care, stay grounded, and may your channeling experiences be filled with positivity and enlightenment.